Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to download and save Reddit videos directly to your device. Whether you're on PC, Android, iOS or any mobile platform, this guide has got you covered. Stick around until the end to ensure you don't miss any steps. First, open either the Reddit app or the website on your device. The process works similarly across platforms, so it doesn't matter if you're using a smartphone or a desktop browser. Once you're on Reddit, find the video you want to download. It could be a meme, a tutorial, or just an interesting clip, whatever you need. When you've selected your video, look for the three-dot menu icon next to the post. Click or tap on it to open a menu. From the options available, you'll typically see Share or even a Download button in some cases. If you see the Download option, simply tap it and the video will save directly to your device. Note that this only works if the uploader has enabled downloads for their videos. If the Download option isn't available, don't worry. You can still save the video using an alternative method. Tap on the Share button and from the Share menu, select Copy Link to copy the video's URL to your clipboard. Once you have the link, open your browser, Google Chrome, Safari, or whichever you prefer, and type Reddit Video Downloader in the search bar. You'll see several tools and websites dedicated to downloading Reddit videos. Click on the first link to open the site. You'll find a text box on the page where you can paste the copied video URL. Paste it, then hit the Download button. The site will take a few moments to fetch the video data. Once it's ready, you'll see options for different video qualities, such as HD video or standard resolutions. Choose the quality you prefer and click on the download link. The video will begin downloading immediately and save to your device's storage. If you're on mobile, it will usually go to your Downloads folder or gallery. On PC, you can choose the location where you want the file to be saved. Using these steps, you've successfully downloaded your chosen Reddit video. Thanks for watching.